Hi everybody, my name is Karina Soto and today we are going to talk about the chapter 3 of the book of How to Teach Vocabulary. It's about classroom sources of words. So my points are vocabulary books and the teacher. So let's get started with my presentation. Okay, this is it. Okay, let's get started. How to teach vocabulary? Well, okay, vocabulary books, good books and resource. So this is more like a recommendation that we, well, as a teacher, we have to know because it's essential to acquire more vocabulary. So we can, it's necessary to read different kind of books and do many activities. All different kind of activities is depend it depend our vocabulary. So it's essential also, like this Western New Word. It's a dictionary. So all the students and all the teacher, it's necessary to bring a dictionary because it's important. If we don't know a word or the meaning of the any kind of word, we have to look for. We got to find the definition in the dictionary. And the word builder is they contain many activities that we can apply according to our topic that we're going to teach. And test your vocabulary is also the same. They contain many activities and it's easier for us and for the students. So the teachers need to know how to use whatever presentation material they want to use. So first, give the opportunity to engage in a learning activity. A student determines if the activity is one that is known to be interesting. If so, the student engages in the activity. If the student perceives the activity as stimulating and controllable, then the student tentatively labels the activity as interesting and engage in it. So, how we know that any kind of teacher have your own book. So this is also an example. So Webster's New Word, as I mentioned before, is a dictionary. They contain many words with the meaning. Word Builder, Heinemann English. This is I like this book because they have many activities about different kind of topics. So it's essential to the students and for us because we acquire more vocabulary. And the Test Your Vocabulary is another book that I put before. It's also about the activities. They contain also activities. They contain like this example, things in the home, and it's easier for the students. Okay, the teacher. This is my another point. Teachers need to think of creative ways of developing an activity to ensure memorability. So it's necessary as a teacher memorize many words because with the meaning also, because it's important to know when the students ask about any kind of word. It's necessary as a teacher to know what is the meaning and how to apply that word because it is important. So nor do all groups or words lend themselves to all these activities, but the extra speaking and writing practice students are getting justifies at least some of these activities, even if the targeted words are of fairly low priority. So this is more like a ice breaking. So the teacher is highly productive, although often undervalued So source of vocabulary input. Learners often pick up a lot of incidental language from the teacher, especially words. For example, the teacher, when they start a class, usually they say, let's see, now then, whose turn is it? Is that clear? What we're going to do now is about the homework, about the presentation, I don't know, whatever. Have you finished it or not? Like this. Now class, I have a little surprise for you. Maybe it's a test. We don't know. So this is an example. The teacher's own stories can also serve as a vehicle for vocabulary input. So the teachers then repeats the anecdote 1 or 2 times each time, letting the learner stop up their list of words and asking the meaning or spelling of any unfamiliar items. This is more like I mentioned before, it's like ice breaking. So also we know that, well, as a teacher we know that the class they have to be motivated for the students, because it's essential to them to start learn new vocabulary with motivation. And this is my source. I hope you enjoy my class, and thank you.